Hello, it is Austin from PlebDevs, and today I'm going to quickly walk you through how to download and verify Bitcoin Core. I know a lot of people have trouble verifying Bitcoin Core. They get confused with that step, so I'm going to walk you through it very simply and very quickly. So let's get into it. So starting off, we're going to install Bitcoin Core from bitcoincore.org/en/download. And alternatively, we can get it directly from the Bitcoin repo, bitcoin/bitcoin/releases. So if I go over here, we see here's bitcoincore.org on the download page, and we've got the latest version I can download. And if I go to the Bitcoin Core repo, we see here it points me back to bitcoincore.org, but I can also just go into the releases here and grab it right there. Cool, so let's download Bitcoin Core, and let's jump back over to our slides. Okay, so this is going to be the process of verifying, and here's kind of why. So verifying your Bitcoin Core download, it's crucial to ensure that the file is authentic and it hasn't been tampered with. So this process involves checking the digital signatures and comparing the file's checksum with the ones provided by the developers. So the code in the actual release has a checksum, and then all of the developers, they have PGP keys where they sign and they verify this checksum, so you know that you're getting the exact code that they built in that release. So the 4 steps here, we're going to download SHA-256 sums files. We're going to install something called GPG tools. We're going to import the Bitcoin Core developers signers keys, and then we're going to verify them. So let's get started. So let's download the SHA-256 sums. We're going to download both of these links right here. If I go to bitcoincore.org, I'll click on this one, and I'll click on this one, and that should be good. Cool. So we've got those, and now we need GPG. You can get GPG at gpgtools.org, which looks like this. You just do the easy download that way, or you can install it in your terminal with brew, npx, sudo apt-get, whatever you have. Cool. So the next step is to import the Bitcoin Core signers keys. Now, I've already done this step, but I have these 2 commands that you'll be able to run to do this. So this is basically all of the core contributors. They have their PGP keys. They all contribute to signing each release. So what this command will do is it will first clone down this Bitcoin Core repo that has all of their keys in them. And then you run this gpg-import, which will import their keys into your local kind of key set that you have. So you can keep those on your machine and then verify all the future releases as well. So go ahead and run these 2 commands in your terminals, and then you'll have the Bitcoin signers keys available to verify. And next, we're actually going to verify the SHA-256 sums. So wherever you downloaded Bitcoin Core and the sums, probably in your downloads folder, that's where you'll go, and you'll run this gpg-verify command on the file. So let's do that and see what happens. gpg-. Oh, I need to go. I am in downloads. Okay. Verify SHA-256sums.asc. Okay, I get a bunch of jumbled messages. So what is this telling me? So I can see along the way, I can see good signature from this person, good signature from Michael Ford, good signature from Andrew Chow. So this is all verifying, this is all lining up and looking good, but we're also getting some warnings here, and that's okay. So is it verified? So each signature verification might be accompanied by a warning that the key's user ID is not certified with a trusted signature. There's no indication that the signature belongs to the owner. So this warning is common when you haven't explicitly trusted the signer's public key in your GPG keyring. GPG can verify this signature is correct for the key you imported, but it cannot confirm on its own that the key belongs to the person it claims to without a chain of trust. So basically, this is saying we know that the signature is valid, but is this key, are these set of keys really from the people that you think they're from? And so we are pretty confident of that because we got this directly from the Bitcoin Core repo. But you know, there's always a further rabbit hole of verification you can go down, which this is alluding to with a chain of trust. But either way, if we got these good signature messages from all of our signers, our Bitcoin Core release is legit. And we've now downloaded and verified it, and from here you could just go double click on the zip and open it up for the first time.